Hey travelers, welcome back to another video. Today's going to be a completely different video than what I've ever done before, which I'm doing a 25 recap video instead of a park. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of it. Should I continue something like this, or should I just do parks instead of a end of year recap? I was planning on seeing it here, and I have post-it notes. I have like I have three post-it notes worth of notes for this, but I don't want to sit out here while I'm going through all those. So instead, I'm going to be going intro right now, and then I'm just going to insert clips throughout the year and do a voiceover.
I posted 45 videos equaling 870 hours. I hiked 98.3 miles, 5,709 feet in elevation, and moving time was 44 hours. These are the months we did the most moving, hiked the most miles, explored the most locations, and hiked the highest elevation. In June, we spent 7 hours moving and hiked 14 miles. In May, we explored 8 locations, and in October, we hiked 978 feet in elevation. These are my top 5 parks, not in order. Next is Darius' top 5 parks. These are not in order. I am surprised by what locations he chose, since he prefers the parks that are 1 mile or less, and the parks he chose are all 2 miles or more. In 2025, I took 3,585 photos and kept 652 of them. I visited 54 locations in total and took photos of 45 of them. These are my top 5 photos, not in order. Before I end this video, I'd love to share my 2026 goals. My biggest goal is to upload every Wednesday. The last year I achieved this goal was in 2021. I would also love to travel more. My chronic illness is the reasons why I have not been able to reach these 2 goals in the last few years. Another goal of mine is to reach 1,000 subscribers. To achieve this goal, I just need 161 more subscribers. I also have a fun update of March of 2026. I'll be celebrating my golden birthday. I'll be turning 28. I hope you had a wonderful 2025 and an even better 2026. I want to thank you all for following my journey and exploring the beautiful state of Minnesota with me and proving that this isn't a boring state.
Thank you guys for joining this year's journey. It was a lot of fun, and I cannot wait to see what 2026 brings us. So with that, I will see you guys in 2026.